Hey Springies, it is me, Springboy1227, and welcome back to a Springy Christmas series. Today, I don't know what I'm gonna do. You guys saw from the videos last night, it snowed. It didn't snow like much. It wasn't like an insane amount of snow, but it was still like a good amount. I'd say like. It still covered the yard, basically, kinda. And it even covered the entire flipping car. If I have something on the... Why is the light on? That's it. But yeah, it literally covered the entire car. From front to back. And yeah, we even, took Smiler out to see snow for his first time. That was really Smiler's first time, like, seeing snow or, like, actually getting to, like, enjoy a snow night. I hope maybe sometime this year it'll snow again before summer and stuff, or spring. We'll just have to hope and see what happens. Yeah, and there's a cat. Okay, Springies, is it my glasses? I have my glasses on right now. I can't tell if it's my glasses, but I'm looking on the camera and it's like kind of, I wouldn't say foggy, but it's like, I would say kind of blurry. I don't know if it's my eyes or... Okay, somebody please comment down below if the camera is actually like kind of foggy or something. I don't know, it looks weird. Hope it's not like... I don't know, it looks weird. But yeah, sorry about that. That just completely, like, got my attention. But yeah, I think that's Skipper in there. I'm sure you guys have met Skipper before. Yeah, I think I've introduced you guys to Skipper before. Skipper! 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 Luke? Oh my goodness. What's up, bro?
What are you doing here?
I was just filming, another episode. Springy Christmas.
Sad that the snow melted.
Yeah, yeah, it was pretty depressing, actually. Yeah. It was fun last night, though. I mean, I'm glad we at least got to, like, film some videos and stuff out last
Or maybe
year.
it'll snow again. Who knows?
Maybe. If it does, it'll probably be later in, like, winter and stuff.
But let's hope it does snow again because I had pretty good ideas.
Yeah. Yeah, I was just, showing the Springies, Skipper. Because I think he went into the woods and stuff. Oh, there he is.
Skipper, your kitty kitty.
Skipper, Skipper,
Skipper,
Skipper.
Skipper, your kitty
Skipper. Ah, I hate... Here he comes. I hate Briars so much, guys. I have bad experiences with Briars. Like, they suck. Briars are one of the worst things in nature. Oh, there's Chunk. Chunky! Yeah, Chunky. Baby Chunky! Baby... Oh, flip. Oh, he booking it. Oh, he booking it. What do you think of that, baby Skipper? Uh-oh, he's going after Chunk. Okay, bro. Is it just me, or is the quality on the camera crap? Like, look at this. Like, you see how, like...
Quality on this camera ain't crap.
No, I'm talking about, like, my... Like, it looks all, like, white and... What the...
They are fighting.
Hold up, I don't think Chunk should go in the woods. I don't know if he knows how to traverse the land back there. It's all hilly and stuff back there. Chunk, Skipper. I think I see Skipper. Up Chunky in the woods. I'll be back. Skipper, Chunk, come here. I don't want y'all in the woods. I don't know if y'all know whether. He legit actually scared Chunk off. Hey, Skipper. Chunk. Chunk. Chunky. Chunky, Chunky. Come here, kitty, 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 kitty. Chunky, Chunky, it's me. Do you guys see him? Flip. Skipper, how flipping far did he run? I mean, you would know because, like, you literally ran out. So it's like, if anyone knew it would be Skipper. Bro, Chunky is literally gone. Chunky, Chunky. Huh? Yeah, but, like, I don't know if... Chunky, Chunky. Chunk. Is that him? I think I see him. Chunk. Chunky. I can't tell. I guess he'll be fine now. I don't know. Oh, but yes, Breeze. I don't know what to do now. Oh, is that Chunk? I can't tell if that's Skipper or I think that's Chunk. No, that's Skipper. The flip. Okay, whatever.
If I get an SD card for this camera, I can start filming on this one. Oh, guys, if you do want to get a camera like this is a Kodak Pix Pro FZ4 free. It's fine.
Hey, Freeze. Go ahead and end the video here. God bless y'all. And don't forget, keep it spring. Keep swat into that. Ow! Flip me. So foggy.
I'm gonna ask my for SD card for cameras for this.